Good day everyone, my name is Angeline M. Marciano, together with my group mates Mika Cortez, Kayla Lutino, Kristen Tige, Andrea Margalio, and Via Lindinga. Let me begin with the background of the study. Squash is not only a delicious addition to meals, but also a source of essential nutrients. It is rich in vitamins A and C, which are important for immune function and skin health. Squash is also a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Squash, Cucurbita maxima, locally known as kalabasa, is a popular vegetable among the Filipinos. Squash is recognized as an excellent source of nutritional content, according to De Guzman and Calwin 2017. Okay. Rationale. Food packaging can be defined as an interdisciplinary science, methodology, and product containment and longevity, according to BOSS 2023. Key priorities in contemporary food packaging: the design of sustainable system for product protection, integration of materials that enhance shelf life while minimizing environmental impact, according to Agamalim et al. 2024. Proximate analysis, a foundational quantitative method in food science, evaluates core compositional elements including moisture, ash, protein, fat, fiber, and carbohydrates, offering insights into nutritional profiles, stability, and quality control, according to Odico and Joseph 2017.
Sustainable Development Goal Integration. SDG 2, Zero Hunger. Ending hunger, achieving food security, improving nutrition, and promoting sustainable agriculture. Ensuring sustainable consumption and production patterns. These include sustainable management and efficient use of natural resources, reducing waste, and promoting sustainable practices in the industries. Research gap. There is a limited study on the integration of proper packaging and proximate analysis in the development of squash-based croquette products, particularly when using squash as a main ingredient. Because of this research limitation, there is need to conduct a study that combines packaging evaluation and proximate analysis to ensure both the nutritional quality and marketability of squash croquette. This approach can help in the development of sustainable, nutritious, and consumer-acceptable products that also promote the utilization of underused squash seeds in the food industry.
Proximate analysis, packaging acceptability of squash Cucurbita maxima croquette. Our first objective is proximate analysis of pack of squash Cucurbita maximus in terms of moisture content, ash content, root content, root fat, root fiber, and carbohydrates content. Our second objective is to determine the packaging design acceptability of squash croquette in terms of durability, completeness, attractiveness, and consumer acceptance. And our last objective is ascertain any significant agreement on the acceptability rates of evaluator on the packaging design in terms of durability, competitiveness, attractiveness, and consumer acceptance.
Methodology. Research design and method. The study utilized a quantitative experimental and descriptive research design. The quantitative experimental design was applied in the formulation and preparation of squash Cucurbita maxima croquette. Specifically, the experimental process focused on testing the product's nutritional composition through laboratory analysis, including its proximate components such as protein, fat, fiber, ash, carbohydrate, and moisture content. In addition, the descriptive research design was applied to assess the packaging design and acceptability of the developed product. A structured survey questionnaire was administered to the selected respondents to evaluate the product in terms of packaging, durability, attractiveness, and completeness, and customers' acceptance. Research locale. The proximate analysis of the squash cropec was conducted at Centrotech Laboratory located at 208 Pilar Street, Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City, Metro Manila, Philippines. The laboratory determined the moisture content, ash content, crude protein, crude fat, crude fiber, and carbohydrate content of the squash cropec samples. All ingredients will be purchased at Black Market Marinduque. The product will be evaluated of packaging design, consumer acceptability, tests, and making the squash cropec at Marinduque State University.
Research process, Phase 1. Preparation and production of squash cropec. Phase 2. Designing packaging for squash Cucurbita maxima cropec. Phase 3. Proximate analysis of squash cropec. Phase 4. Packaging acceptability evaluation.
Estimated cost. The estimated production cost was computed based on the cost of raw materials in producing 1 kilogram of squash Cucurbita maxima cropec. Acceptability of packaging design for the squash cropec. Was evaluation was carried out using a survey checklist with 5-point descriptive rating scale to assess respondent perception of packaging in terms of the following parameters based on the second objective of study. Durability. A well-designed package must ensure that chosen materials protect the product from damage during transport and storage and resist wear and tears. Completeness. Making sure all required details are present on the label, such as product name, list of ingredients, nutritional facts, net weight, and expiration date. Attractiveness. The overall visual appeal that makes that product desirable to consumer. Consumer acceptance. It measures how well consumer approved are satisfied in the product. Stability of packing design of squash cropec. Table number 2. Descriptive rating scale used in evaluation design packaging squash cropec.
The other analysis of squash cropec was conducted through a certified laboratory. The results were presented in tabular form explaining descriptive interpretation. The survey questionnaire was distributed to purposefully selected respondents. Completed responses were collected, tallied, and encoded for analysis. Survey results were analyzed using frequency, count, percentage distribution, and weight mean to determine packaging acceptability. The study and proximate analysis in packaging acceptability of squash Cucurbita maxima as cropec utilized both laboratory testing and survey methods to obtain comprehensive data.
Ethical consideration. Before the data collection, respondents were thoroughly briefed on the objective, procedure, and significance of the study. They were informed that participation was entirely voluntary and that their responses will be used solely for academic purposes and explain the information's consent in details to ensure that respondents fully understand their rights and the purpose of their involvements in the research. Participants signed the informed consent form and they will could withdraw from the study at any time without facing any negative consequences or penalties. Furthermore, all personal data are expanded will treated with utmost confidentiality.
Statistical treatment of data. The study used both descriptive and inferential statistical method to analyze the data gathered from the approximate composition and sensory acceptability of squash cucurbita maxima cropec. The data collected were processed using Microsoft Excel Office 365 2021 version and SPSS Statistic version 26 to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the results. The median was used to determine the central tendency of the data collected from the sensory evaluation and proximate analysis, providing a reliable measure of typical responses. The highest and lowest values were identified to show the range and variation in the results, highlighting the most and least favorable responses in terms of packaging, acceptability, and chemical composition. Kendall's coefficient of coordinates, the non-parametric statistical tool, was employed to the measure of degree of agreement among the panel of evaluators regarding and the acceptability of the packaging. P-value will determine the level of statistical significance between the observed results and the null hypothesis. 0.05 no significant agreement, 0.05 significant agreement among evaluators.
This slide shows the bibliography sources we use in our review of related literature. This reference guided and supported our study, providing important information related on our topic. Once again, we are the researchers. I am Angeline M. Marciano, together with Pica Cortez, Kayla Lutino, Andrea Margalio, Kristen Tige, and Vialin Lina. Thank you for listening and giving our time to our presentation.